Greetings and welcome to Be One Love Spirituality in a Modern World. I am a spiritual healer, spiritual teacher, and spiritual counselor. There are 4 avenues which you give yourself nutrition. You give your nutrition to your mind, you give nutrition to your body, you give nutrition to your emotion, you give nutrition to your spirit. You choose which nutrition in which department of the 4 categories. Vegan is a lifestyle. Plant-based foods are what vegans eat. Your lifestyle is you go to work every day. That's a vegan lifestyle. You do this, you do that, you do this, you do that. It comes from the 4 Vedas, which is in Ayurvedic, which is from India. You choose your vegan lifestyle. That goes into your mind, your body, emotions, spirit. You choose the foods nutrition for your body through plant-based foods, which are vegetables, fruits, nuts, grains, herbs, seeds. Example, beans help eyes. Fruits, cranberries help memory. Nuts, almonds help memory and nerves. Grains, herbs like lavender are in vitamin A, vitamin C, vitamin E, and antioxidant. Seeds such as pumpkin seeds. So you have these 6 different categories of foods and plant-based that you choose to put nutrition into your body. The key about nutrition is basically the environment in which you are cooking. So typically when my kids were growing up, I would play music. So we were dancing and laughing and singing, and this would make it fun. Whatever your mind is fixated on at the time, it will then send that energy into whatever it is that you're cooking. If you're emotionally unhappy, it will send that energy into whatever you're cooking. You are then ingesting it. So plants are happy little campers. When you play your music, you can then create ambience in your food. You are then ingesting that ambience when you eat. It will then filter into your mind, body, emotion, and spirit. So today's oatmeal loaded is the usual. Apples, oranges, or whatever's on sale. I get Tangelos that's on sale. You got carrots, you got cran raisins, and you got raisins. Those are your basics. And then you're going to add a little bit of, let's have some fun. So I added kiwis. Yay! Let's see how that pans out. I'm pretty sure pretty good. And then, of course, my dried hibiscus flowers and dried white tea. And then, of course, you're going to always add your seeds. So in the seeds, you do 1 tablespoon of flax, sesame seed, and chia seeds. You also are going to do your, I got one hand here. You're also going to do some immune boost tea or soothe me tea. That is basically has echinacea in it. It has slippery elm, plantains. So soothes the tissue of the body by soothing the tissue of the digestive and urinary system. So when you got aches and pains, you got a cold, you got the flu, you take Soothe Me tea. So you put those in, and then you get your little herbs from, like, you're doing, I don't know, what is it, pumpkins or whatever. So you're going to add some allspice. Well, what are you going to do with it for the rest of the year if you're not cooking? So I add a teaspoon of allspice in my oatmeal loaded every week. And then I add the other one, which is pumpkin pie spice. Now, when those two are gone, I more than likely won't ever add those again. They were just trying to like, well, how am I going to get rid of it? So I just put it in there. Don't forget your cinnamon. So, of course, in the International Shopping Day, I did put it on the YouTube channel a while back. I got, I don't know, 12 ounces or a pound or whatever from there. So then I can have my herbs all year long. And it's probably going to end up being 2 years, which is the way it should be. And then don't forget your kale and your, what's the other one? Collards, because they're dried. So you got to add your greens, of course, to your oatmeal loaded. So, of course, I'm going to have some mustard, dandelion, and chard. And I'm going to have the collards and kale. So I'm going to have my fruits, vegetables, my seeds, my nuts. I'm going to also add a couple of scoops of mixed nuts that I mixed myself. And, of course, grains, because this is oatmeal loaded. So I will add 1 cup of oatmeal to 7 cups of water with all this vegan lifestyle of plant-based foods. And that, of course, will last me every morning. I do 2 cups and last all week. So I make them every weekend. And life is love. Love is life. Blessings from Reverend Lewis. And thank you for your support.